Shri Gurupyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see exercise 5, that is properties of addition. We are going to see properties of addition. First property is order property. Two numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. Suppose, see the example, 2 plus 3. If you add any two numbers, you will get that is, two numbers can be added in any order, 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. If you add any number, interchange and then add, if you will get the same answer. See, suppose if you are adding 5 plus 4, what is 5 plus 4? 9. If you are adding 4 plus 5, you will get the same answer. That is, two numbers can be added in any order. You will get the answer same. So, the sum remains the same. That is order property. So, in the properties of addition, first one is order property. That is, two numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. 2 plus 3 or maybe 3 plus 2. If you add interchange and then add, you will get the answer. That is, sum remains the same. Next property is grouping property. Three numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. So, order property means two numbers, but grouping property means three numbers. So, if you add three numbers they added in any order. Order means that is first order, second or third. If you interchange this number, you will get the sum same. So 8 plus 3 plus 5 is 16. 5 plus C. If you interchange this 5 in first place, then 3, then 8 in last place. Also 5 plus 3 plus 8 also 16. Then 3 plus 5 plus 8 also 16. So what is grouping property? Three numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. That is grouping property. So, second one is grouping property. First one is order property. In order property, only two numbers. In grouping property, three numbers. Next, third one, zero property. So, in zero property, when zero is added to a number or when a number is added to zero, the sum is the number itself. So, if you add 0 plus 568, you will get the answer, the number itself, 568. Otherwise, 72 plus 0, that is 0 is added to any number or a number is added to 0, you will get the same answer. Next, see, listen here, 100 plus 0, 100. 95 plus 0, 95. So, 0 plus 16, 16. If you add any number with 0 or 0 is added to any number, you will get the same number itself. Okay. Next one, exercise 5 we are going to see. Listen children. So, exercise 5. Use the properties of addition to add. 4603 plus 2112 equal to dash plus 4603. See here, they are given fill up like. So what you have to do, here which property they have used, I told, two numbers if you are adding in any order, you will get the sum remains the same. So your answer will be the same. So 4603 plus 2112 equal to 4603 they have given. So one more number, what you have to write here? 2112. It is in which property? It is in order property. 2112. If you want, you can add and then check also. 4603, 2112. So 3 plus 2, 5, 0 plus 1, 1, 6 plus 1, 7, next 4 plus 2, 6. So then you can interchange and then add 2112, 4603. What will you get? 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 6, 7. Next 2 plus 4, 6. So you will get the same answer. Two numbers can be added in any order. You will get the same number. So that is order property. Here we have used order property. Next sum, 3118 plus 260 plus 1212 equal to 1212 plus 3118 plus dash they have given. Here how many numbers they have used? Left hand side they have used 3 numbers. So right hand side 2 numbers. So one more number we are going to find out. So 3 numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. That is grouping property. So what is this? First one is order property. This one is grouping property. So what is the answer here? Here listen, what is the missed number you see? Here 1212 is there, then 3118, then one more number. Here 260 is missing. So what is the answer? 260. Here listen children, I told you already. See, this is grouping property. In grouping property, 3 numbers will use. Here 3118 is there, 1212 is there. So one more number. What is the missing number? 260. This is grouping property. Next, 8181 plus 0 equal to. As I told you already, if you add any number with 0, you will get the same number. Otherwise, when 0 is added to the number, or when a number is added to 0, you will get the number itself. So 8181 plus 0, what will you get? 8181. Next one, 2600 plus 1. As I told you in the last class, 2600 plus 1. If you are adding any number with 1, you will get the successor of the number. So if you are adding any number with 1, you will get the successor of the number. So 2600 plus 1. So what will you get? 0 plus 1, 1, then 0, 6. 2601 is the successor of the number. So 2600 plus 1, if you are adding any number with plus 1, you will get the successor of the number. If you subtract any number with 1, you will get the predecessor of the number. Okay. Next, dash equal to dash plus 2067 equal to 2067. So what number, if you add any number with this 2067, you have to get the same number 2067. So what is the answer? So what property here we are going to use? 0 property, because if you add 0 with this number only, you will get the number itself. So if you are adding 0 with the number, you will get the same number. So 0 plus 2067 equal to 2067. Here listen children, 4119 they have given. So dash plus 4119 equal to 4120. So they have given 4190 they have given. Then the right hand side they have given 4120. So what is this number? This is the next number of the 4119. So this is the successor of the number. So successor means what you have to do? You have to add 1 to the number. If you add 1 to the number, you will get the successor of the number. See here 19 is there. If you add 1 to the number only, you will get 20. So they have given successor of this number. So successor means what you have to do? You have to add 1 to the number. So listen children, first one is order property. In order property, 2 numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. So here 4603 plus 2112 equal to 2112 plus 4603. Next one is grouping property. In grouping property, how many numbers will use? three numbers. So three numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. See, if you are adding three numbers, you will get the, if you are interchanging, that is, if you are changing the order, then you will get the same answer. That is, the sum is same. Next one is zero property. How will you say? They have given zero here. So 8181 plus 0, if you are adding, you will get the same answer. That is, if you are adding any number with 0, you will get the same answer. That is, the sum remains the same. So 8181. Next, if you are adding any number with 1, that is the successor of the number. So 2600 plus 1, if you are adding, that is the successor of the number. 2600 plus 1, you will get 2601. Next, dash equal to 2067 equal to 2067. So if you are adding any number with this number, you have to get the same number. So which number you will add? 0, because if you add 0 only, you will get the same number. So this is zero property. In zero property only, when 0 is added to any number, the sum is the number itself. So 0 is the answer here. Next, here they have given 4119 plus dash plus 4119 equal to 4120. So here 19 and then 20 they have given. That is successor of the number they have given. So if they are asking successor of the number, what will you do? You have to add 1 to the number. Then only you will get the successor of the number. So 1 plus 4119 equal to 4120. So bye children. See you tomorrow.